Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to find out which version and the build of Windows 10 you have. So are you ready? Let's get started. So as you may know, knowing the version and the build of Windows 10 that you have is very important because it will reflect the fact if you have the latest update or not. So it's very important to know the version number and the build number for Windows 10. So in order to get this information, it's pretty easy. You can just go to your start menu here and click on the settings, or you can just use the shortcut Windows key plus the I key. Okay, so you get here your Windows settings, so you click on your system, and just here at the left corner there is actually a menu called About, so you click on it. So here you have some device specifications, so the type of processor that you have, how many installed memory, but the most important thing for us is actually which edition of Windows 10 that you have. So here, for example, I have Windows 10 Professional Edition and the version is 1709. Okay, and the OS build number is 16299.192. so here you can have actually the information about the build needed, so you can see if you have the latest update or not. Okay, there is another way in order to find out the same information as found here in the settings. All you have to do is just go to your search box here and type the Winver. Winver stands actually for Windows version, so you just click on it, and here we go. We have the same result. We have here, as you can see, the version number and the build number. Okay, so this is the easiest way actually if you want to find out the version or build number of Windows 10. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.